Hey traders, I hope you guys are well. I had a request for ANKR from a Jeff. I'll tag you in the video here. Let's knock this thing out in 3 minutes, all right? So we're on the weekly time frame. This is your global range here where price is going to chop around for an extended period of time before it pumps again. So getting back into this range, you really want to see it come down here to this weekly order block if it gets down there, and you want to see this level hold. You really don't want to find acceptance into this region. Coming down to the POC wouldn't look all that great to me. You really don't want to spend a whole lot of time in here. And the reason is because you could spend a lot of time in here. And if you're an investor, that could be painful. So that said, oscillator doesn't look great MACD wise. Your RSI is trying to jump up a little bit here and potentially confirm this is a low and a little bit of bullish divergence along the way. You can also see it is prevalent on the daily. It's also trying to form some bearish divergence on the daily, so we need some invalidations here. Now, we know that we've had this price from here to here just based on this impulse for a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at that price. You can see it gets the lows really well, so we really don't want to lose about 5 cents, give or take. If we lose 5 cents and we confirm it as resistance, we're probably going to make our way down into that order block we just talked about, right down here in that like 4 cent to 2 cent region. Not a great thing to say, but it can happen. You are above the point of control though, so that is a point for you there. If we turn on our levels, now we have some really key levels to take a peek at. The weekly here at about 10.5 cents lines up with your range EQ really nicely. That's actually really great. You've got your last high time frame closure here at 15 cents, 15.72 cents, really nice at the exact high of the range. So oftentimes that'll happen. But first and foremost, you're still looking at 7.931 cents as the area to get above. Then we want to see 10.33 cents claimed. You can come all the way back up to 10.33 guys and then roll over. That can definitely happen. It would actually be a continuation of this channel already. So you would be literally continuing the trend, and it would just be a cycle of this channel and then back down, and you would form a new low down into this region. Now if you break out of 10 cents and you get above this level and it looks good, you got nice volume, you'll probably rotate the range to the highs here at that 15.752 cent level. Anytime you have a falling channel breakout, a little tip, you're going to want to use fibs to calculate your targets, not just the measurement. And generally a falling channel, wedge, whatever it may be, targets the 618 of the wedge, and so that would be from this high to this low. Looking up to that, where's the 618 coming at? Right at the quarterly level, right at your value area high. So you would be looking at a potential lower high in the making. As of right now, that's how I'm looking at it. But it would also be a range rotation, which makes sense, into a key golden Fibonacci level. And then from here, this is going to be really key, getting above this and continuing on, or staying in the range and falling down and trying to form a higher low or a lower low. Hopefully this helped, man, and I'll catch you in the next one.